What's up, guys? Today we are doing a knife comparison. My dad's big Swiss Army knife versus my Rock City knife. So let's jump into it. So let's get the blades out. Here we're gonna do which knife blade is better first. So Swiss Army knife. Let me just do a couple. Okay. And that's what it did. Oh, hold on, let me make it a little better. It's what it did, all those scratches. Oh, now, God, my Rock City knife. I'm not used to that big knife, but I'm used to this. Alright. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna do a few cuts. And reveal. That's what it did. My dad's, mine. Comment down below which knife blade won. And now I gotta find the saw on this thing. Oh, that's a little knife. It's not a saw. I have to open everything to get to the saw. Okay, I don't know where the saw is on this thing. Just can't find it, guys. So, guess we have to do my saw first. Here's the saw. Here's my saw. Let's see what it can do. Hey, I'm not leaving you guys out. Hold on. Here, and reveal. That's what it did right there. So, I think I'm gonna have to find the saw in this thing. So, yeah, so, let's do a short blade competition. Short blade, where's short blade? On this one. Short blade. Yeah, this is short blade. Okay, cool. And where's my short blade? I think, yeah, that's it. Nope, that's not it. Nope. Is it? I thought I had one that was a little bigger. Okay, I guess it's only short blade on there. Here's my short blade. Here's my dad's short blade. So let's do the damage. We're doing my dad's first. Dad's Swiss Army knife did. Can you see them? I don't know if you can, but I'm happy. Let's see what mine can do. Okay. This is kind of gonna be fun. Have to do it on the side because I have to hold mine like this. Rock City, you disappointed me. I paid $15 for this knife. You disappointed me. Let me try to find the saw blade real quick. I know there's a saw blade on this. Well, I hope y'all liking this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment, please. Whoa. I wouldn't let you go just yet. We didn't know which one was better. Rock City, you disappointed me. The Swiss Army is better. Like and subscribe.